Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to find the area between a curve and the line, and let's use this question as an example. The diagram shows the curve y equals to 5x minus x squared and the line y equals to 4. Find the area of the shaded region. So you are finding the area of this part. And this part is enclosed with the curve and the line. So for us to start working on this, you have to first find these points of intersection where the curve intersects with the line, and those will be the limits we are going to use to integrate. So let's start with that. For intersection, y is equal to y, and that will be 5x minus x squared equals to 4. When I bring the 4 that side, it will be 5x minus x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. Writing it in a proper form, a simpler way, that's by multiplying through by negative 1, it will give us x squared, then minus 5x, then plus 4 equals to 0. And this one can be factorized with factors of negative 1 and negative 4. And it will give us x minus 1, x minus 4 being equal to 0. So the next part is getting x equals to 1 and x equals to 4. So those are going to work as our limits that I'm integrating from 1 to 4 for the curve and for the line. The line is easier. You can use two ways. You can either find the area of this rectangle. The rectangle as the base of 3 and the height of 4 using this y value. So it is just 3 times 4, which is 12. Or you can use integration. But let's first deal with the curve. So for the curve, we are going to integrate, let's say, area and the curve. So for the area under the curve, we are going to integrate 5x minus x squared from 1 to 4. So this one will give us, let's say, with respect to x. So this one will give us 5 over 2 x squared minus x cubed over 3. If you are having troubles in integration, you can visit my channel and see some videos about integration. So this one will be 5 over 2 into 4 squared minus 4 cubed over 3. Everything subtract 5 over 2 into 1 squared minus 1 cubed over 3. For simplicity, let's use a calculator, and we shall be having 5 over 2 into 4 squared is 16, and then minus 4 cubed over 3, which is 56 out of 3 minus, this one is 5 over 2, and then minus a third. And that gives us 13 over 6. And our final answer will become, not the final answer for the question, but for this part, will become positive 16.5. So that is for that part of the curve. And I've already explained to you the easier way of getting this area under the line. This area under the line forms a rectangle. And this rectangle, if this is 1 and that is a 4, so its length is 3. And the height, this is the y value, so if that is a 4, so our height is 4. So it is just 4 times 3, which is 12. So area under the line is 12. So our question is telling us to find the area under the shaded part. You can see that we found the area under the curve, which takes this whole part, and the area under the line within the given limits takes this part. So to find the area under the curve and the line, between the curve and the line, that is the shaded part, is subtracting the area under the curve minus the area under the line. So the area of the shaded part, area of shaded part is 16.5 minus 12, which gives us 4.5. So this one becomes our final answer. Thank you.